I quit my job because of this AI side hustle. Yes, you heard it right. In just a few months, I went from a monotonous 9 to 5 to making $5,000 a month on YouTube without ever showing my face. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, and I'll break it down for you. First, let's talk about why AI is a game changer. Imagine creating videos without a camera, script, or acting skills. AI tools like Pictory and Synthesia make this possible. With Pictory, all you need is a script, which an AI like ChatGPT can easily generate for you. For instance, you can start a channel focused on top 10 lists or educational content. These niches have massive, evergreen audiences. Now, every 30 seconds, you're thinking, how does this work? Well, AI does the heavy lifting. You input text, and Pictory transforms it into a full video with stock footage, music, and voiceovers. It's like having a professional production team at your fingertips. Here's the kicker, I launched a channel in the tech gadgets niche. In the first month, my videos pulled in 10,000 views, generating around $50 from ads. By month 3, I was at 100,000 views and earning close to $1,000. All I did was consistently upload 2 videos a week. What about engagement? AI can help here too. With tools like TubeBuddy, you get analytics to optimize titles, descriptions, and tags. This boosts your video's reach. Speaking of reach, you might wonder about monetization. YouTube's partner program requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It took me 4 months to hit these numbers, after which, the revenue started flowing. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, thumbnails. Use AI tools like Canva to create captivating thumbnails. They're crucial for clicks. Remember, the first impression matters. In conclusion, AI offers a pathway to financial freedom. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme but a smart way to build a consistent income without leaving your comfort zone. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into this AI-driven YouTube side hustle and watch your financial dreams come true.